Hello friends, it has been 24 hours since we made our base. It is nice and thick, so it's at the perfect consistency to get this measured out and get this whipped into some whipped soaps. So I like to measure this out in 1,000-gram batches. So I will set this aside and we'll get another little cup to measure out our sweet almond oil, put our kaolin clay and our fragrance and color in it. We are doing 1.5 ounces of fresh cut roses, a heaping scoop of kaolin clay, it's probably about 1/2 teaspoon of mica. So now we have our KitchenAid stand mixer, and I tell you what, this is the best investment in my company that I have ever made. I did not buy this when it was on sale. I think it was $379 from Kohl's. I looked for it, we were shopping around Thanksgiving time, and I looked for one everywhere because they were on sale at a lot of different stores and they were sold out everywhere, but Kohl's had one. It was not on sale, but I was determined to buy one that day, and it has been the best thing that I could do. So let's go ahead, turn this on low, and we'll eventually go up to high. And that's it. So it took about 8 minutes to get to this point. It is nice and fluffy. It holds its peak up very well. If you over whip it, you'll kind of whip the air right out of it. So this is perfect. So I have my piping tip in the bottom of this little tall cup, and everyone does it differently, the technique they use, but as long as the soap gets in the jar, that's all that matters. So I just use a piping bag. I do reuse it. This one is specific for whip soaps. Here's what she looks like right now. We will slide the jar over. And there she is. A nice whip soap. Now I know a lot of people, they make them fancy. They go around all the edges. You can do it whichever way you like. I like to do it straight down the middle, simply because it's faster. And when you do it this way, I find that you get more air in it, or more empty spaces, where you have to kind of pound it down and then refill it some more. Whatever way works for you. So that is about it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And in case you are new around here, we are doing 30 videos and 30 days. That is a series I am doing right now. Normally I just do videos of me making cold process soap, but I did want to bring you along on this little 30-day journey so that way you can see what what I do when we're not making soap, because we do make lots of other items. So we've made bath truffles, we've made shampoo bars, wax melts with a whip soap base, whip soaps, and today's only, I don't know what day we're on, 9 or 10. So we still have a long ways to go. And tomorrow I'm going to show you how I make my loofah soaps. So we'll see you back tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.